Hi, my name's Ben Cook. I'm an engineer and founder of Airspeed, a UK-based technology startup focusing on developing acoustic drone detection technology. This short video is about the team structure at Airspeed. This video won't take very long because Airspeed is a single-person enterprise. In effect, I am the team. The challenges associated with building a company as a single person are that you have to do everything yourself, and what that means is that the company has an inherent speed limit limited by you. I'm an engineer by training. My comfort zone is to do engineering, but I also of course have to do commercial aspects of the company, the business development, developing new customer acquisition channels. And all of that takes time, and if I'm doing that, I'm not doing engineering, and vice versa. If I'd had my time again, I think it would have been wise to put more effort into trying to find a commercially focused co-founder so that I could focus on engineering and they could develop the business. This didn't happen, and I'm now at a stage where it's very important that I try to scale the company in order to make a sustainable revenue stream going forward. That requires skills that I don't have on my own, and I certainly don't have resource to do all of it in terms of time. So I know that I need to scale, I know that I need to hire. It would probably be a good idea to find some kind of co-founder, if possible, to focus on the commercial aspects of the company. My background prior to starting Airspeed is I've spent many years working for large defence companies on air defence products, so primarily missile systems, short-range missile systems, so the sort of thing you might shoot an aeroplane down with. Now that is directly applicable to small drones, albeit that the drone issue is operating on a much smaller scale. And I think what I have that perhaps some other people in this market don't have is that experience. I can directly read across things I've seen in the full-size air defence world to countering the drone challenge in terms of technology, procedure, tactics, and techniques. Secondly, a lot of the new entrants into the counter-drone space, I think, are treating it as an AI problem. So they're AI startups, and they're treating it as a data problem. And there's certainly a data element to this. There's certainly many things you can do in this challenge using AI. However, what I've learned over the last few years of running Airspeed and working closely with drones is that detection and tracking is more about physics than it is about AI. And in some ways, the AI is the easier part. That's a lesson I've learned that I think the new entrants are going to learn, but it will take them perhaps a year or two to get there. I'm motivated to address the small drone issue because I've always been attracted to difficult technical challenges, and I believe that countering small drones, especially in detection and tracking, is a truly wicked problem. Most of the conventional technology that exists to track things in the sky doesn't work for small drones. And so there's a lot of new people entering the industry trying to develop solutions to this problem, and I fit in amongst all of that. My technology is slightly novel in that it uses acoustics rather than radar or radio frequency based technologies.